VIDIQ versus TubeBuddy review in 2021. Hey guys, today I'm going to be comparing VIDIQ with TubeBuddy and which is the better platform for keyword optimization and SEO research results and more for your YouTube channel. So let's get into it. So before I compare the Chrome extensions for both of these applications, I am actually going to compare their pricing, and I must say one really does win by a landslide, and I'm not going to say this outright, but you will get to that and you will understand what I mean in a minute. So first off, VidIQ provides with a free version for their platform. So if you're just getting started on YouTube, you don't have to pay for VidIQ. You can get a lot of their services for free. So you can get competitor tracking, trend alerts. You can also get keyword research tools for free. And it might not even show up in the ticks over here, but you can search for keywords, and I will show you guys how to do that in a second. But you can do all of that for free. However, you don't get any kind of SEO optimization, so you can't do dedicated SEO analytics or get bulk SEO optimizations, but it's for free and it provides you with more analytics than TubeBuddy is going to offer. Now, in stark contrast, TubeBuddy does not have a free version at all whatsoever, and another very annoying thing I must say is that they keep on giving you this very large icon to install their free extension on Chrome, and I already have this extension downloaded. You can see it's present right here. But still they keep on giving me this large pop-up, and this really does get on my nerves. So that is a -0.4 TubeBuddy just starting off on this video. Now, the lowest price plan on TubeBuddy starts at $9 a month, and the features that it provides is rather lackluster compared to VidIQ. Now, it gives you a canned responses, you get default upload profiles, you get playlist actions, you get thumbnail generators, but that's only limited. So you have to make sure that you actually read within this, and you can add one custom image, but you can't really create templates, and you cannot download a copy of the image that you create on this thumbnail generator. Now you have a video topic planner, you also have a advanced video embedding, you have comment formatting, you have a COPPA center, you have an emoji picker, quick links menu, quick edit toolbar. Now you also get none of the bulk processing tools on the free version, and you don't even get that on the pro version of TubeBuddy, and not the free version, I'm sorry, the $9 a month version. So with the pro version, you also, or the $9 or $8 a month version, you get milestones, you get the best time to publish, you get to pick a winner, and you also get to pick perks, and you also have access to the TubeBuddy mobile app, so you can manage your channel via TubeBuddy on your phone, and you don't have to worry about traveling or bringing your laptop with you everywhere you go. So these are just some of the features on the lowest price version of TubeBuddy, and now I'm going to compare it to the pro version of VidIQ. And even the pro version of VidIQ, i.e. their lowest version, it starts at $7.50 a month, so it's not as expensive as TubeBuddy, but it provides you with 10 daily ideas. It gives you competitor tracking, trend alerts. It also gives you a live status bar. You get bulk YouTube descriptions. So as you guys saw, you get none of the bulk editing options on TubeBuddy, even if you're paying $9 a month. But if you pay $7.50 on VidIQ, you're going to get bulk YouTube descriptions, and if working in large volumes is something that you do, you will definitely need these tools. You also get the keyword research tool, you get the most viewed videos, top tweets, you get top trending videos. Now you also get basic video analytics, you get keyword research tools, you get the best time of day to post. That is something you also get in TubeBuddy as well. So these are just relatively similar. Now after that, VidIQ has a decently priced version at $40 a month, but TubeBuddy starts at a cheaper version for $19 a month. So that is something that's pretty different on both of these platforms. If you're going for a mid-range optimization tool, then TubeBuddy actually might just be it. But if you're going for a cheap version, or if you don't have enough money to just throw on analytics or research words, I would definitely suggest that you use VidIQ. Now, that's enough of comparison between their price points and the features, let's now take a look at what these platforms actually look like and what they do for you and your YouTube channel. Now, over here, I am at my dashboard on VidIQ, and you can see I can search for keywords over here. So any keyword that I might be looking at, let's just say we are doing relationships now. So now you can see for this keyword, I get the search volume, I get the competition, and I get a overall rating. And the overall rating is basically the number of, it's how good this word is to add in your keywords. And this is not a good word to add because it has such high competition, and even though the search volume is pretty high, it's going to be too difficult for your video to stand out. And you can also view the trending videos for this keyword on the side over here. Now, to actually optimize your keywords, you can change the keywords to any of these related keywords. Now, once you search for a keyword, it's going to give you related keywords down below, and you can see dating advice is actually a keyword that you can use instead of directly using relationships. So if you put into your video, maybe if you were going to title your video relationship advice, it's better to title it dating advice because this keyword has a medium competition and there is high search volumes as well. A very important tool that you need to keep in mind is make sure that there is some search volume for your keyword. So if I add something obscure like Among Us girl, so if I have a girl eating, now this word or this keyword has a very high competition, and all of these also have competition. So I need to be creative and I need to make sure that my video stands out. And this is how you optimize their free keyword research tool to fit your research needs. So let's just say, just keep on searching until you find something that has low competition and has a good search volume. Now, you can see over here, Amberlyn Reed food. Amberlyn Reed is a YouTuber, and you can see the search volume for her name is astronomical. There is very low competition, and they have a great overall rating. So that is to keep in mind. Now you can definitely, instead of if you're posting mukbang videos, you can add her name to your keywords, and your search results are going to be pretty high on the YouTube platform. Now, besides this, you also have your competitors. You can monitor your competitors. Like over here, I have How to Cook That and Read. You can see all of her analytics over here and monitor what kind of progress she is making or your competitor is making. And you also get daily ideas. So you can see it's going to give you random daily ideas, and you can save these ideas and they will appear over here. And then you can get sample videos for your ideas. So these are not sample videos, competitor videos for your ideas. So anything that other people have created regarding that idea, but it still has low competition or medium competition with a high overall rating. You can also dismiss some ideas and find them over here. Now, taking a look at their Chrome extension, you can see I have enabled their Chrome extensions, and from here I can view my home dashboard, uploads, videos, playlist, analytics, and comments. And my YouTube channel is going to look like this once I enable VidIQ. You're going to have your daily ideas over here, and you can access all of their tools using just their extension as well. So I find that very helpful. You can search for keywords. So let's just say K-pop. And if you search for this, you can see different related keywords as well. And now you want to rate them in terms of search volume or competition, overall score. Now you can keep on searching and find something that fits your personal needs. After that, you also have most viewed, you have competitors, trend alerts, and all of that data that is provided in their website version you can find on the extension as well. Now, if you want a channel audit, you can see your general analytics. And another thing is the most viewed videos in your area or in your location or country. You can see them as well. You can also get trend alerts, and this is now you can get a alert name. So if you want if someone gets over 10,000 views on a certain video, you can get a alert on that, and that will send you all of the keywords, the threshold, everything that they are doing will be alerted to you if they pass that certain limit of views. And then you have subscriber analysis, you had VidIQ Academy, and all of this is going to be opened up in your VidIQ dashboard. So that was VidIQ, and now I'm going to show you guys the Chrome extension for TubeBuddy. Now I have enabled my TubeBuddy extension on YouTube over here for the same channel, and you can see over here they give you channel analytics on your homepage, and then on the top right you get this little pop-up menu or drop-down menu, and that gives you all of the details and deeds you need to know. So you have your general messages, you have your industry news, you have your milestones that you have set. So after that, on the right you have your dashboard, you have the videos and live streams that you have uploaded, analytics for that. Now after that you have your most important tools like your keyword explorer, your SEO studio, your video topic planner, tag lists, best time to publish, and click magnet. So one of the most important features as always is the keyword explorer, and this is something you will most definitely be using on both of these applications. So let's just search for relationships again, and you can explore the overall score. You can get a score analysis. So this has a very poor score. So you can see they also give you with a better description, and you can see there's a high search volume, but there is a very high competition as well. So that is going to make your video be very out of touch, and you're not going to be able to reach the audience that you might want to. Now, if you click on relationships over the phone, that's like a related keyword that you can see over here. And you can see this is actually a good keyword to use. So if you were just making a video on relationships, rather than doing that, you can make it on relationships over the phone, and that will help you get a good audience for your video. Now you can also see more significant video tags, but let's search for a different keyword. And now you can see this is actually a excellent keyword that you can use because it has medium competition, it has a high search volume, and you have a good optimization strength, which is how well optimized the top ranking videos are for this search phrase. And make sure that whatever you choose in terms of search volume, it has a good search volume, because if the search volume is low, no one is looking for that kind of video, you're not going to get any kind of views no matter how good your content is. After that, this is like a basic summary. You can also get results. So these are the search results for this kind of keyword, and then you have a map. And this is not a keyword that has enough data to show here, but let's search for a more common one. Hopefully this will provide some data on the map version as well. Now you can see on Google Trends, you can see what kind of audience you're going to get. So if you make a video on relationships, you're going to get views from Canada. There is a 27% interest in Canada. There's a 31% interest in United States. There is a 1% interest in Brazil. You can see there is a lot of interest in the lower African countries. There is some interest over here in Saudi Arabia. And the darker the blue, the more search or the more views are going to come from that region, because they have a high search interest in this kind of content. So there's also a very high search interest in Australia as well. This is going to help you target your audience and make sure that you get audience from a country that has high CPM rates, so you can make more money on YouTube. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and now it's time for my opinions. What extension do I prefer? I most definitely prefer VIDIQ over TubeBuddy, and that is just my personal opinion. I find it more useful. I find the keyword research tool to be more efficient. It conveys more info without long descriptions or anything. Everything is short and optimized, and that's why I prefer VIDIQ. But TubeBuddy is also generally a alright extension to use for optimizing your search results and having more and garnering more views on YouTube. So that was it for today, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.